JJ from SNS. I'm going to show you our Stealth Air Cleaner. Now I go into stores, I show this every time. Reason for that, there's a lot of advantages to this over the other breathers in the market. Okay, you've seen these online, you've seen them in the catalog. I want to show you why you should be using them. Now, Stealth Air Cleaner, standard, okay? This is your normal filter, that's how they come. You can upgrade them. I'm going to start by disassembling this one. On the front, you'll see it has a stinger cone. Same as we've had in our teardrops. If you've used those, you're familiar with this. Filter element, okay? Like I said, these are upgradable. This is your standard filter. This is your +1 filter. When you get to about 120 inches, this starts to make sense. Now, the back plate. This is where things get interesting. Back plate on all of our previous Stealths are cast aluminum. The later generations, our M8 breathers, our Stealth breathers, for a street rod and for the street 500s and 750s are performance polymer. What does that mean? It means this back plate is no longer cast, okay? Also means there's no gasket between here. We actually lay an O-ring in, okay? Inside of this polymer, if you've ever turned a fairing screw on your Street Glide or Ultra, you've had that happen. You won't have that happen here because these brass inserts are winged. Now the advantage to the polymer is going to be that it doesn't heat soak. That engine's hot, whether it's a water-cooled or an air-cooled model, and it's going to soak that back plate. So the charge of air coming in your engine will always be warmer. With this, it dissipates the heat. You can ride all day in 100-degree temps and physically hold this. That's how much cooler it is.